Alright, show you how to do a multimeter. So we have a red and a black one, right? It does not matter which pattern you put it in, but the black one stands for ground, so you always put it right here in the middle. And then the red one, since you're measuring the voltage on a battery, you put it right here with the V. Boom. Alright? And a normal battery voltage is 12.6, so you can't go 600. These are just the voltage because it says V, right? You can't go 600, it's way too high. 200 is still way too high. 20 is a safe bet. 2 is too low, and 9V is what's it called? It's we're not measuring a 9 voltage battery. At 1.5 V is just like a controller, and a PS4 controller, something like that. So we're gonna go to 20. That's water. Talking too much. Anyways, so you want to put positive with this red one with positive, and the black one for ground. So I'm gonna put it right here. Right. There you go. Boom. And boom. And so my cameraman will do his job right. We'll get 11.75. And so you take them off, and now that's not too low, but pretty low. And all you need is to charge the battery. You don't need to replace because it's not dead. And you can recharge it with that little special machine right there. That's in a different video. Anyways, so that's how you do this one. And then so you just turn it off, unplug them, and that's it. Put it back. Put it back. So this one over here, my cameraman, this one over here is very more simpler. And this is called the battery conductance tester, right? So with the same thing for the red with the positive and the black with the negative. So we'll come over here, and you're gonna make sure that these little bolts over here are not eroded or nothing like that, or else it won't work. So you come over here, place it, and you place it. All right. And this, you need to know your CCA for this one. And CCA stands for cold cranking amps. And it will usually tell you on the battery. So it says over here, it says right here, it says 800. And as you see, it's at 500. So you want to go up until you reach 800. Okay. Anyways, okay. So then you just press test. I'll show you this little screen. And this is way more accurate than the multimeter Ruby has over there. This one. So it's 11.72, and it's low, like I said. So it's not dead because the light didn't show up for a dead battery, and it's not on a green because it's not okay. But it's just low. Like, then again, you don't need a replacement. You just charge it with this thing over here. And so the way to take this off, if you start the car and you test your battery, it will jump up to 14, as my teacher would say. And it'll jump up to 14. And so you just really just need to charge it. So you take it off negatively to positive. And yeah, that's how you do both of them. What am I doing with this one?